Debt doesn't always carry a negative connotation or a bad connotation. It's just the amount of money that you owe somebody or the amount of money that you owe a company. All right. So the most obvious way bad credit costs you money is in the form of high interest. All right, high interest rates. So if you notice some of the companies, if you look at your financial or your agreements that you have with these companies, take a look at your high interest rates. Take the time out and research your state. Justia.com. They have every state that you need for your actual state laws. You have to make sure you keep research because they do have to update their website just like Law Cornell. But check each one of your states to see how much is the maximum that these companies can charge you. So a lot of bad debt can come from being charged high interest rates. And sometimes when you get these loans, you're already in debt. You're already needing the money, or you're already needing that credit at the time. So if your credit score is low, that's when those predatory lenders kick in. That's when those companies try to use you and have you paying these high interest rates, knowing getting close to the end of the loan. If you notice, it's like I hadn't paid anything on this loan. I'm paying interest, I'm paying the note, and it doesn't look like it's adding nothing to the amount, bringing my principal down or nothing. So that's because of the high interest rates. Not only are you much less likely to get approved for new loans because of the bad credit, but you'll also still pay more if your application is accepted. So if they don't deny you and don't refuse you to credit altogether, and if they do accept you, then that's when that high interest rate kick in, right? That's when they're charging. But please check your state, your individual state, and see what is the maximum yield that company can charge you, or that type of loan, because I do know certain states have different types of loans, like the small regulatory loan, installment loan, auto loan, mortgages, payday cash advances. They have different percentages and laws that they can charge you as a maximum. Okay.